Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Vocab listening channel. Today, we are going to listen to a conversation at a restaurant. In this lesson, you will follow a simple and slow story about Sam and Mina. You will learn useful words and expressions for eating out. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so just relax and enjoy the story. Before we begin, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English better. Here is the question for today. Which wine goes well with fish? The answer will appear in the conversation. If you hear it, please write your answer in the comments. Writing in English will help you improve faster. All right, are you ready? Let's start.
Sam, I'm so hungry. I'm really hungry.
Yeah, me too. I'm starving.
Let's get something to eat.
That sounds like a great idea. Where should we go?
What about that place over there?
Oh, that one looks nice.
Yeah, I've been there before. The food is really good.
Perfect. Let's go there.
Wait, do we need to book a table first?
Book a table? You mean a reservation?
Yeah, what exactly is that?
A reservation is when you call the restaurant before you go. You tell them the time and how many people. Then they prepare a table for you.
Oh, I see. That's helpful. Do we need one for this place?
I'm not sure, but it looks pretty busy today.
Yeah, I can see a lot of people inside.
You're right, it is crowded.
So maybe we have to wait a bit.
That's okay. I don't mind waiting. If it's busy, the food is probably good.
That makes sense. Oh, look, they have a menu outside.
Yeah, that's helpful.
Let's take a look before we go in.
Good idea. Let's check it.
Wow, they have a lot of options.
I can see steak, fish, pasta, and more.
Everything looks so good. I'm even more hungry now.
Same here. Let's just go inside.
Yeah, I hope we don't wait too long.
Hello. Welcome. How many people?
Hi, table for two, please?
Just 2 people?
Yes, just the two of us.
Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't have one. Is that okay?
That's perfectly fine. We have a table available for you. Please follow me.
Oh, great. Thank you.
Right this way, please.
Oh, that table by the window looks really nice. Can we sit there?
Of course. You can take the window seat. Here you go.
Thank you. I love sitting near the window.
I'm glad you like it. Your server will be with you shortly. They will take your order.
Thank you very much. Okay, let's look at the menu.
Yeah, wow, this menu is quite big.
There are so many choices.
Look, they have appetizers, main courses, and desserts.
Appetizers. What are those?
Appetizers are small dishes you eat first. They come before the main course.
Oh, like a starter.
Exactly. A small start to your meal.
Got it. What appetizers do they have?
I see soup and salad here.
Nice. That sounds good. And what about the main course?
The main course is the main part of your meal. It's usually the biggest dish.
I see. What options do they have?
They have steak, chicken, fish, and pasta.
Wow, so many choices. What do you suggest?
I'd recommend the chicken. It's very popular here. A lot of people order it.
The chicken. Okay, That sounds good. What about you? What are you thinking? I want something light. I don't feel like eating something heavy. Maybe I'll choose the fish.
That's a good choice.
Oh, look here. It says today's special.
Ah, the special of the day.
What does that mean exactly?
It's a dish the restaurant prepares only for today. It changes every day.
Oh, interesting. What is it today?
It says pasta with vegetables.
That sounds nice. Is that vegetarian?
Yes, it is. Vegetarian means there is no meat.
I see. Only vegetables. Good to know.
And don't forget dessert. They have cake and ice cream.
Oh, I love desserts. I always want something sweet after eating. Let's order some drinks, too. What would you like?
I think I'll have orange juice. What about you?
I'll take iced tea.
Sounds good.
Are you ready to order?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's call the server.
Are you ready to order? Yes, we're ready. I'd like the fish, please. The fish. Good choice.
And I'd like the steak, please.
The steak. How would you like it cooked? Rare, medium, or well done?
What do those mean?
Rare means the inside is still red. Medium is a little pink inside. Well done means fully cooked with no pink.
Oh, I understand now. I'll have it medium, please.
Medium. Great choice. The steak comes with a side dish.
What is a side dish?
It's a small dish that comes with your main meal. You can choose salad, rice, or potatoes.
I'll take potatoes, please.
Potatoes. Noted. And for your fish, would you like any sauce?
What sauces do you have?
We have lemon sauce and butter sauce.
I'll take the lemon sauce, please. And can I have the salad without onions? I don't like onions.
Of course, no onions. What dressing would you like? We have Italian and sesame.
Italian dressing, please.
Got it. And your drinks?
I'd like orange juice.
And I'll have iced tea.
Orange juice and iced tea coming right up.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Sam, I have a question about wine.
Sure. What is it?
When do people drink red wine? And when do they drink white wine?
That's a good question. It's actually very simple. Red wine usually goes with meat.
With meat. Okay.
Yes, red wine has a strong flavor, and meat also has a strong taste. So they match well together.
That makes sense. What about white wine?
White wine goes well with fish. It has a lighter flavor, and fish is also light.
Oh, I get it now. Strong with strong, light with light.
Exactly. Red wine with meat, white wine with fish.
That's easy to remember. So if I order steak, I should drink red wine.
Yes, that's right.
And if I eat fish, I should choose white wine.
Exactly. Of course, you can drink anything you like, but that's the basic rule.
Thanks. I'll remember that. Oh, Sam, look at the table. Why are there so many forks here?
Good question. In formal restaurants, each fork has a purpose.
Each fork? Really?
Yes, one for each course.
What do you mean by course?
A course is one part of the meal. The appetizer is the first course. The main dish is the second, and dessert is the last course.
Oh, I understand now. But which fork should I use first?
It's easy. You start with the fork on the outside.
The outside one first.
Yes, then move inward with each course. The outer fork is for the appetizer. The middle one is for the main dish. And the small inner fork is for dessert.
Outside to inside. Okay.
Exactly. And for the knife, you hold it in your right hand. The fork goes in your left hand. The spoon is usually for soup or dessert.
Got it. That's really helpful. Oh, the food is here.
Wow, that steak looks amazing.
And my fish looks really good too.
Let's eat.
This is so delicious.
Is it good?
Yes, it's very tasty. The fish is soft and full of flavor.
Nice. My steak is really good too. It's very tender.
That sounds great. How is the salad?
It's fresh and crispy. I like crispy vegetables.
Me too. Crispy is the best. Can I try your steak?
Sure, here you go.
Oh, this is really good. It's juicy and full of flavor.
Try your fish too.
Of course. Here.
It's a little sour.
Yeah, it's the lemon sauce. It's a bit salty too.
Sour and salty together, that's nice.
I like that combination.
Me too. Oh, try these potatoes.
Okay. Wow, crispy outside and soft inside. That's perfect. I see the dessert menu here. I think I want something sweet after this.
Yeah, something sweet sounds nice.
Everything here is so good.
I agree. This is a really nice restaurant.
Excuse me.
Yes? How can I help you?
Could we have some water, please?
We'd like more water. Of course. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
And could we get some extra napkins?
We need a few more.
Sure, no problem.
Oh, and one more thing. I think there is a mistake with the salad. We asked for no onions, but there are onions.
Oh, I'm very sorry about that. That's our mistake. I'll fix it right away and bring a new one.
That's okay. Thank you.
Here is your water and the extra napkins. And this is your new salad. No onions this time. I'm very sorry again for the mistake.
Thank you so much.
We really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Please enjoy your meal.
Excuse me, could we get the check, please? We're ready to pay.
Of course. I'll bring it right away. Here is your bill.
Thank you. Sam, I have a question. Do we need to leave a tip here?
Yes, tipping is common. Usually people leave around 15 to 20%.
Oh, I see. Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept both cards and cash. I'll pay by card then. Of course. Here you go. Please enter the tip amount on the screen.
Okay, I'll leave 20%. The food was excellent and the service was great.
Thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
Could I also have a receipt, please?
Sure. Here is your receipt. Thank you for coming. Thank you.
The food was really amazing.
Yes, I'm so full now.
That was a great meal.
Yes, everything was really delicious. I learned a lot today.
Oh, really? What did you learn?
First, I learned about reservations. Next time, we should book a table.
Yeah, it's a good idea when a place is busy.
I also learned menu words. Appetizers are small dishes at the beginning. The main dish is the big part, and dessert is the sweet part at the end.
That's great. You remembered everything.
And when I ordered, I said, "I'd like the fish, please." It was easy to say.
Yes, I'd like is very useful. You can use it in many situations.
You also taught me about wine. Red wine goes well with meat because both are strong, and white wine goes well with fish because both are light.
Exactly. You got it. You learn very fast.
And the forks, too. In formal restaurants, you start from the outside.
That's right. Outside to inside.
I also learned many food words like delicious, tasty, sweet, salty, sour, and crispy, fresh, soft.
That's a lot of new vocabulary. You did really well.
And I learned about tipping too, around 15 to 20%.
Yes, that's the usual amount.
I gave 20% today because everything was so good.
That was a good choice.
Today was really fun. I had a great time.
Me too. It was a nice experience.
We should come back again soon.
Yes, next time we'll make a reservation.
That's a good idea. Thank you for teaching me so much today.
Of course, you learned a lot. Great job today.
So, how was the story? I hope it helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question again. Which wine goes well with fish? Did you get the answer? If you did, please write it in the comments. Writing full sentences will help you practice real English. On this channel, I share slow and simple stories. They come with useful tips for daily life. I will keep making more videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe. And don't forget to like and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you liked this lesson, you can support the channel. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye!